Today I'm going to show you how to make abstract twisted light fibers effect from photo using smart filters in Photoshop. The first step is make 1 copies of your photo by pressing Ctrl J. Then right-click and convert to Smart Object, click the background color, and choose the white. And the foreground color, black. Then click OK, go to Filter, Render, and choose the fibers, make the variance, 18, and the strength, 8. Then click OK, double-click Filter Blending Options, and change the blend mode to Hard Mix. Then click OK, go back to Filter, Blur, and choose the radial blur, make the amount, 100, the blur method, zoom, and the quality, good. Reapply last filter used by pressing Ctrl-Alt-F. Then click OK, go to Filter, Distort, and choose the twirl, I'll make the angle, 100 degree. Double-click Filter Blending Options, and change the blend mode to Lighten, then click OK. Go back to Filter, Distort, and open the twirl again, make the angle, -100 degree. Double-click Filter Blending Options, and change the blend mode to Lighten, then click OK. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon, and open the Brightness and Contrast window. I'll make Contrast, 70. Go back to Adjustment Layer icon, and open the Color Balance. Open the Tone list, and select Midtones. I'll make the Cyan and Red, +35. For the Yellow and Blue, +25. When you're done, close the Properties panel. And this is the result.